In this tutorial you're gonna learn how to add music to your Instagram post. If you are a music enthusiast or you just like to add background music to your post, follow these simple steps. As you know, you can add music to your reels and videos. But they added a new feature that allows you to add the music on your posts. First, let's check if Instagram is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and find Instagram. If there is the button Update, click on it and wait a couple of seconds till Instagram installs all the latest features and options. Now open Instagram. Let's add a post. Click on this little plus button at the bottom. Choose the photo that you want to upload. At the top right corner, click on the Next. Once you are on the upload page, scroll down and find this area. Here you can add the music. If you don't see the button, go and reinstall your Instagram. If that is still an issue, you just need to wait a couple of weeks till this feature comes to your account. Now when you click on this button, the pop-up window will show up and you can search for the music that you want to pick for your Instagram post. Click on it, and here you can scrap a specific part of the song that you want to use for your post. Here you can click the duration of this song. Maximum duration for a song is 90 seconds. And you can now go to the next part and share the post. For more tutorials like this, follow our channel and see you in the next video.